Oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Your branches green in summer's glow, and evergreen in winter snow. Oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Oh Christmas tree, you stand in.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Guys, for today's video ay magko-closing tayo. Ang video natin for today is about Thanksgiving for the year 2025. This is my year-end message. Thank you very much guys for everything. Wherever you are, maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa aking channel, Nico Loca Show. Hanggang ngayon, 4 years na tayo. 4 to 5 years running. So, thank you everyone for always patronizing my video and my vlog. Salamat guys. And nagpapasalamat ako sa year 2025. Unang-una sa aking kalusugan, for my good health, for the health of my family, my relatives, my cousin, and everyone. Thank you very much, Lord, for the blessings, for the past years, 2025. Salamat for my work. Salamat at lagi tayong may work, malakas ng katawan, and laging handa sa anumang uri ng pagsubok sa buhay. Thank you Lord for 2025, for all the blessings sa mga pagsubok. Salamat Panginoon, maraming salamat. Thank you for all my followers and subscribers. Thank you so much for always there for me. Now ay nagkaroon ng konting inspirasyon, nadala ang aking mga video, mga vlog sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo, sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat Lord. Thank you 2025 for all the blessings that I have today and the coming year. Maraming salamat. And especially sa aking family for always there supporting me, my wife, and everyone, each and every one of you. Thank you very much. For my workmates, friends, salamat sa inyo. Thank you Lord for all the blessings, for my family, for everyone. Maraming salamat. And I hope and I pray this coming year 2026 ay patuloy ang abundance, blessings to me, for my wife, for my family, for my brothers and sisters, mga hipag, mga bayaw, mga pamangkin, mga pinsan. Naway patuloy mo kaming bantayan, subaybayan sa papasok na taon 2026. Salamat sa lahat ng pagsubok nang dahil doon nagiging matatag ang bawat isa sa amin. Salamat Lord sa lahat ng pagkakataon na ibinigay mo sa akin, sa aking asawa, sa aking pamilya, sa aking mga kapatid, sa aking mga kaibigan, sa aking mga pinsan. Thank you Lord. Thank you 25 for all the blessings. Salamat Lord, and I wish and I pray na maging okay na ang Pilipinas. Mawala na mga korupsyon, maging okay ang lahat. Thank you for everyone. Thank you guys. Naway maging maligaya ang inyong bagong taon. Salamat for everything. And hope everyone is okay. That's it. Thank you so much.